Hello guys, I'm Sheetal and welcome back to Target Study YouTube channel. If you are going to clear your 12th class with non-medical stream or have already cleared 12th class and dreaming of getting admission in one of the top engineering or architectural colleges of India, then this video is a must-watch for you. As in this video, I'm going to explain virtually every aspect of one of the widely taken as well as accepted engineering entrance exam. I hope by now you might have some clues in your mind about the exam, my dear friends. But definitely no prizes for guessing it rightly, as it is so simple to guess. Yes, my dear friends, I'm talking about mother of all engineering entrance exam, and that mother is joint entrance exam. This exam comprises of two different parts, that are JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. In this video, I'm going to explain various facts of JEE Mains exams only. Like what exactly joint entrance exam mains is, what is the eligibility for taking JEE Mains, what is the syllabus of JEE Mains, what is the pattern of JEE Main, how to apply for joint entrance exam mains, what is the fees of joint entrance exam mains, and much more. If you are looking to take this exam in near future, then please keep watching this video till the very end, as it will definitely help you prepare and crack the exam. Let us start with the very basic question, and that is, what is JEE Mains exam all about? Joint entrance exam main, better known as JEE Main, is one of the constituents of joint entrance exam. The other one is joint entrance exam advanced, about which we will discuss in our next video. JEE Mains is conducted by National Testing Agency, usually twice in a year, for providing admission to undergraduate engineering programs at NITs, IIITs, other centrally funded technical institutions, and institutions funded by participating state governments. Besides this, the JEE Main will also be an eligibility test for the JEE Advanced, which the candidate has to take if he or she is aspiring for admission to the undergraduate programs offered by the coveted Indian Institute of Technology. So, if you are looking to get admission in any of the reputed engineering or architecture college, the taking of JEE Mains exam is almost indispensable. As you can take this exam twice in a year, this gives one more opportunity to the students to improve their scores in examination if they fail to give their best in the first attempt without wasting their whole academic year. The best of the two NTA scores will be considered for preparation of merit list or ranking. Now I would like to tell you about the eligibility conditions for taking JEE Main exam. As far as the educational qualification is concerned, the aspiring candidates must have cleared or appearing in the final examination of the 10+2 system with physics and mathematics as compulsory subjects, along with one of the chemistry, biotechnology, biology, technical vocational subjects for BE or BTech, and mathematics is one of the subjects for architecture and planning conducted by any recognized central or state board such as Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi, Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations, New Delhi, etc. or any public school, board, university examination in India or in any foreign country recognized equivalent to the 10+2 system by the Association of Indian University, or higher secondary certificate vocational examination, or a diploma recognized by AICTE, or a state board of technical education of at least 3 years duration, or general certificate education examination, London, Cambridge, Sri Lanka at the advanced level only for admission to IITs, or High School Certificate Examination of the Cambridge University or International Baccalaureate Diploma of the International Baccalaureate Office, Geneva, only for admission to IITs. Here, you have to keep in mind that you must have done your 12th class only 2 years before taking the exam, or must be appearing in the qualifying examination in the same year like of taking the exam in 2021, you must have done your 12th class in 2019, 2020 or appearing in 2021. And there is no age limit for the candidates thinking of taking this exam. The candidates must also note that the IITs have an age limit or restriction. Now you must be eager to know the pattern of JEE Main exam. JEE Main will consist of 3 different papers. The paper for BE or BTech will consist of 25 each questions from mathematics, physics and chemistry, consisting a total of 100 marks for each section. It will consist of 20 each objective questions and answer to 5 each question will be filled as numerical value. The paper will be held in CBT mode. Paper for architecture will have 3 parts. Part 1 Mathematics, 25 questions of 100 marks, and Part 2 Aptitude Test, 50 questions of 200 marks. Both will consist of objective type of questions and will be in CBT mode. Whereas Part 3 Drawing Test, having 2 questions of 100 marks, will be taken to test drawing aptitude, will be in pen and paper based mode to be attempted on drawing sheet. Paper for planning will again have 3 parts, that are Mathematics, having 25 questions of 100 marks, Aptitude Test 50 questions for 200 marks, and Planning based 25 questions for 100 marks. All these parts will consist of multiple choice questions and will be held in CBT mode. The medium of the question paper shall be in English, Hindi and Gujarati. Candidates can opt for English or Hindi mediums for taking exam, and candidates from Gujarat, Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli can opt for Gujarati as well. However, the option of question paper language should be exercised while filling up the application form, and it cannot be changed at a later stage. Now, when you are well aware of the pattern of the JEE Main exam, the next thing that I am going to tell is the syllabus of JEE exam. Paper for BE or BTech will consist of questions from mathematics, physics and chemistry on the level of +2 class. Mathematics questions will be from sets, relations and functions, complex numbers and quadratic equation, matrices and determinants, permutation and combination, mathematical induction, binomial theorem, sequences and series, limit, continuity and differentiability, integral calculus, differential equations, coordinate geometry, 3-dimensional geometry, vector algebra, statistics and probability, trigonometry and mathematical reasoning. Physics questions will be from physics and measurement, kinematics, laws of motion, work, energy and power, rotational motion, gravitation, properties of solids and liquids, thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases, oscillations and waves, electrostatics, current electricity, magnetic effects of current and magnetism, electromagnetic induction and alternating currents, electromagnetic waves, optics, dual nature of light and radiation, atoms and nuclei, electronic devices and communication system. Chemistry paper will consist of questions from basic concepts of chemistry, states of matter, atomic structure, chemical bonding and molecular structure, chemical thermodynamics, solution, equilibrium, redox reactions and electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, classification of elements and periodicity in properties, general principles and processes of isolation of metals, hydrogen, block elements of other groups, D and F block elements, coordination compounds, environmental chemistry, purification and characterization of organic compounds, some basic principles of organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, organic compounds containing halogens, organic compounds containing oxygen, organic compounds containing nitrogen, polymers, biomolecules, chemistry in everyday life and principles related to practical chemistry. For B Arc or B Planning, the mathematics syllabus will be same as the paper 1, and the syllabus for aptitude test and drawing test will consist of awareness of places, persons, buildings and materials, texture and objects related to architecture and building environment, visualizing 3D objects from 2D drawings, visualizing different sides of 3D objects, mental ability, visual, numerical and verbal, analytical reasoning, three-dimensional perception, and appreciation of scale and proportion of objects, color texture, building forms and elements, contrast and harmony, drawing and designing of geometrical or abstract shapes and patterns in pencil, transformation of forms both 2D and 3D union, elevations and 3D views of object rotation, development of surfaces and volumes, generation of plan, creating 2D and 3D compositions using given shapes and forms, and sketching of activities from memory of urban scenes, public space, festivals, market, street scenes, recreational spaces, monuments, etc., landscape, gardens, trees, riverfronts, jungles, plants, etc., and rural life. Here is the most eagerly asked question, and that question is, how to apply for JEE Main Exam? You can apply for JEE Main Exam from the official website, that is nta.ac.in, and following certain steps. And the first step is to register for online application form and note down the system generated application number. Second step is to complete the application form. Candidate can log in with the system generated application number and created password for completing the application form. Step 3 is to upload scanned images of candidate's photograph and candidate signature. And the last step is the payment by debit, credit card, net banking, UPI or Paytm. These steps can be done together or separately also. Now you would like to know the application fee for JEE Main Examination. The application fee for JEE Main Examination for Paper 1, that is Engineering, B.Tech, or Paper 2, that is Architecture, B.Arch or B.Plan, for General OBC Non-Creamy Layer, General EWS, for boys it is Rs 650 and for girls it is Rs 325. Whereas for SC, ST, PWD and Transgender it is Rs 325 for both boys and girls. And for taking both or two of the above papers for General and OBC Non-Creamy Layer, General EWS it is Rs 1300 for boys and Rs 650 for girls. Whereas for SC, ST, PWD and Transgender it is Rs 650 for both boys and girls. Hopefully, the details provided here will be helpful for the candidates who are interested in taking the JEE Mains entrance exam. If you still have any further queries, you may let us know in the comment section. We'll try our best to provide the right information to you soon. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for regular notifications, please subscribe Target Study YouTube channel.